This kata is momiji gasane, which means the overlapping maple leaves. The opponent approaches you in the jodan stance and tries to attack your head. You pivot on your right foot to the right as you cut the opponent's body with a reverse grip draw. You pivot again on your left foot to face the opponent and attack them the second time. This technique is called momiji gasane because the way you move lightly to the left and right while attacking resembles two maple leaves fluttering down and overlapping as they fall. This technique wouldn't work without the light footwork of Asayama Ichiden, characterized by a low stance and smooth body movement.
いわゆる危険対一致、一足に対して一動作みたいな感覚だとできないです。こう来て、こう来たら抜けるときにもうこう入ってるんで、でここでこう入る。こう来て、こう来たら抜けるときにもうこう入ってるんで、でここでこう入る。
As you can see, for each movement of the katana, the necessary steps are taken quickly and efficiently, without any wasted motion.